Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to show you the ultimate guide on how to clean aluminum engine parts. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to maintain your vehicle, cleaning aluminum engine parts is essential for optimal performance and longevity. Gather your supplies. Before you start cleaning, make sure you have all the necessary supplies. Safety goggles, gloves, degreaser, soft bristled brush, microfiber cloth, water hose or pressure washer. Safety first. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from any harmful chemicals or debris while cleaning aluminum engine parts. Pre-cleaning inspection. Inspect the engine parts for any loose debris or dirt. Use a soft bristled brush to gently remove any visible dirt before applying the degreaser. Apply degreaser. Spray the degreaser generously on the aluminum engine parts. Make sure to cover all areas thoroughly. Scrub and rinse. Use a soft bristled brush to scrub the aluminum engine parts, focusing on tough stains or grease buildup. Once scrubbed, rinse off the degreaser with a water hose or pressure washer. Dry and polish. After rinsing, use a microfiber cloth to dry off the aluminum engine parts. For an extra shine, you can polish the parts with a specialized aluminum polish. Final inspection. Once the aluminum engine parts are dry and polished, take a final inspection to ensure all dirt and grease have been removed. Touch up any missed spots if necessary. Reassemble and test. Once you are satisfied with the cleanliness of the aluminum engine parts, reassemble them back into the engine. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes to ensure everything is functioning properly. Maintenance tips. To maintain the cleanliness of your aluminum engine parts, consider regular cleaning intervals based on your vehicle's usage. Additionally, use a protective coating or sealant to prevent corrosion and maintain the shine of the aluminum parts. Share your experience. If you found this ultimate guide helpful, share your experience with others who may benefit from learning how to clean aluminum engine parts effectively. Feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us with any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching our ultimate guide on cleaning aluminum engine parts. Stay tuned for more informative content on our YouTube channel. Happy cleaning!